Hi everyone, my name is Fikri and I'm from the Chime V5 team. We've been working really hard building solutions and making Chime the best support software for our customers. And today I'm excited to show you a quick demo on our ticketing integration and our AI indexing feature. So traditionally, employees have access to multiple support services such as KB articles in SharePoint, support email channel, and some ticketing software. Generally, the problem here is increased complexity for the employees. There are hundreds of knowledge-based articles, and there are not many ways to keep track of tickets easily. And another problem that this creates is really slow resolution time, because employees, they will have to manage and navigate through different services and their UIs. With Chime V5, we want to make finding solutions faster. And we're going to do that by integrating with Microsoft Teams, providing self-service workflow, and we're going to use AI. By integrating your help desk with Microsoft Teams, now anyone can just start a chat to resolve any of their issues. And what's nice about Microsoft Teams is that everyone is already in it, and everyone is already familiar with how the chat user experience works. So you don't have to log into your ticketing dashboard or your knowledge-based service. Finally, the third benefit here is how you can set up self-service solution before routing to an agent. For example, you can show active tickets to the end user, and you can use AI to help the end user find solutions. Now, let's take a look at this support workflow diagram that I'm going to walk through for this demo. Here, I'm going to show you an end user starting a chat from Microsoft Teams, then getting a list of JIRA tickets within Microsoft Teams, then interacting with AI. What's really cool about this AI interaction is that behind the scenes, the AI has ingest my own data, my internal company data. So for example, I might need help on how to connect to a printer. And internally, I might have 5 or 6 different articles on how to connect to different printers. What's cool about the AI is that when I ask how to connect to a printer, it can give me exactly the content that I need, the information that I need from all those different articles. And finally, I'm going to demonstrate connecting to an agent, which is really helpful when you need something really specific and advanced that only live support agents can help. Now, let's see the demo. So here I have Microsoft Teams open, I have Chime installed, and I have it pinned on my left side navigation. To get started, I can just start a chat. All right, so for this example, we have designed the chatbot to return a greeting, to return the end user's tickets, and to return this dialog. On this example, we show this list of end users' active tickets because we think that it might be useful for the end user to review his ticket history. Because maybe the current issue might already been asked and resolved. So I can check the ticket details by clicking the ticket item, and clicking this link. This will open up the ticket portal. So if I discover my prior issue listed here, I can simply click and then open the ticket details. And if I find the information within the ticket satisfactory, perhaps updated with important details about my issue, and feel fully assisted, I can simply close this chat and mark this chat as resolved. Next, let's try connecting to the IT Service Desk AI. To get started, I will just start a chat. Then I will select the second option here. For this demo, I'm going to ask the AI on how to connect to my printer. So here, the AI is asking my printer model and my operating system. At this point, it is important to highlight the AI's capability to adapt its assistance based on the specific user needs. By asking for the printer model and operating system, the AI demonstrates its focus on providing relevant solutions. So I will reply with my model and the operating system that I have. So by providing the printer model and the operating system that I have, which was asked by the AI previously, the AI returned the correct uh, content that I needed. What's interesting about this is that if we look at the bottom here, we see a link to the article where the AI get reference to answer these questions. So if I click on that link, I can see the full article on how to connect to a brother printer. It is also important to note that within this article, there are two sections on how to connect to a printer. One section is when your operating system is Windows, and another section is when your operating system is a Mac. And the AI was able to grab just the content that's relevant to you and then summarize and return it to you here. You might ask, where do those articles that the AI reference come from? And to answer that question, behind the scenes, the articles are stored in Chime. So what we're looking at here is the manager dashboard. A support manager can access this manager dashboard. And to get to the list of contents that the AI reference or index, you can click the content. And after clicking the content menu, you can click the FAQ. On this UI, we can search, for example, for printer FAQ. And we can see that there are 10 items of how to connect to a printer. And one of them is this brother article. When we look at the content of this article, we see exactly what we saw from that AI answer. Having access to this is really important if you want to adjust or update your article so that the AI answer questions more accurately. Okay, finally, let's try to connect to a live agent. So I'll just start a chat to get started. And I'm going to select the second option to connect to the IT service desk. And during this AI state, while connected to the I can type /agent to try connect to the live agent. Okay, so it looks like we're trying to connect to an agent and we're just waiting for an agent to accept. So we're connected to agent Carlos. And here I can start having conversation with a live agent. Um, so here we demonstrated connecting to a live agent. And this is really helpful if you need something that is really specific that only live agent can solve. and all done within Microsoft Teams. To end this conversation with the agent, I can just type in, and then at the end of the conversation, I can provide a feedback. So in conclusion, Chime can bring AI and other self-service solutions to employees within Microsoft Teams. And you can improve the AI performance by continuously updating your FAQs. In addition, you can generate charts and reports for all the chats that went through Chime. Thank you, and please let me know if you have any questions.